Hey everybody, Joshua Cornish here, aka the Woodworking Realtor. I'm here in front of one of my newest listings. I'm very excited to put this one on the market. This home is absolutely beautiful. Tons of custom features, about 3,000 square feet. It's conveniently located in Wildomar, California, very close to the I-15 freeway. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check it out. Here we have an open kitchen with a beautiful floor plan that makes entertaining a breeze. Beautiful granite countertops and tile floors, just been sealed just for the right person. And tucked away under the staircase is a beautiful child's play area. One downstairs bedroom to accommodate guests. Here we move into the children's bedrooms that are completely customized and themed. Here we have a spacious master bedroom with a beautiful walk-in closet that can accommodate the best and the largest of wardrobes. And the master bath consists of a custom shower with an oversized rain effect 24 by 24 inch shower head, equipped with a beautiful custom sink and jetted jacuzzi tub. And here we have a very serene backyard equipped with an above ground pool, custom balcony, and a beautiful shed you can put your tools in or create a clubhouse.